Hello everyone, I Apurva from St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology from Civil Engineering Department. I used to wonder what to join, what to do, means how to enhance myself. Then I got to know that I should do some software courses like Revit, AutoCAD. Then which academy to join was a very big question for me. Then where to go, how to get the certificates. I was very confused. So I came to CAD Mastery and I got sir who explained me everything, that how to get the courses, how to do it and how to develop in future too. Here the faculties are very helpful. They tell us the basic to the advanced softwares, and they also give us the task regularly. They give us the challenge that we should complete this task in this period of time, like to save our time, to consume our time. They also tell us the doubts which we need they tell us the doubts of the basics, and also tell us the other ways to get those things properly with the help of jokes, stories, other student stories, so that we can get it properly. If so ever we do not understand anything, then we have been given with GWVPS kit. In that kit, the basic videos have been given, and from that the language in that kit is very easy to understand. So we can go through that kit after going to the home for the practice purpose, and also we can learn the whole software by sitting in the home by GWVPS kit. And this kit help us to clear our basic concepts of the class which has been taught. And here this kit can help us in projects too. We also make here the projects after the course has been completed, and we make innovative projects, and here the faculties are also helping us in how to make the projects very beautiful, very advanced, and new technology also. Last but not the least, thank you to the CAD Mastery, to the sir. In the starting, I was really confused that what to do, how to do. He really helped me a lot. And now, when I joined the class, I studied both the softwares. I really got very confident to do the projects. And now, at this stage, I can do everything, any task whichever will be given to me, it will be completed. Because now I am really confident in both the softwares, AutoCAD and Revit. And this kit also helped me a lot, GWVPS kit. So I hope you should also join the CAD Mastery and enhance yourself and make yourself advanced. Thank you.